I'm now going to add a number 50 tapered pin to hold my collar to the shaft. I will fully mate the pin in the assembly and then use the profile of the pin to remove material from both the collar and the shaft. So from the design library, I'll drag and drop out a tapered pin, set its size to the number 50, 3/4 inch length, and accept that. And I want to mate my pin to the middle of my part. I'll mate plane 1 of the pin to the right plane of my part. I now need to create a new plane in the center of my collar. I'll right click on the collar, choose to edit the part. From the features ribbon bar, I'll choose reference geometry plane, select the one face of the collar, choose the mid plane option, and select the opposite face of the collar. I can now return to the assembly, and I can mate my new plane to an existing plane within the pin. I now have my pin locked on center, but need to set its height. I'll add a third and final mate tangent to the outside of the collar and the top of the pin. My pin is now fully defined within the part. If I look normal to this view, I can once again edit the collar, and in my new plane in the center of my collar, create a revolve cut by converting the edge of the pin. I can accept that, and now I can finalize my sketch. I can drag the length of the pin out and add some geometry. To fully define my sketch, I'll just add a tangent mate. And now I have a fully defined sketch, which I can use to make a revolve cut through my collar, and return once again to the assembly. If I open the collar up, we can see that we've made a cut completely through our part using the pin geometry. I can now do the same thing to the shaft.